These are the elevators at the Jonnet building in Monroeville, Pennsylvania. I'm not sure what these originally were yet, but they were modernized by Otis with Series 2 fixtures. There's the left elevator. Go up to 10, 9, 9 works, 10 is locked. And here we go up. The other one's coming down, and the up arrow's still lit. That's interesting. Here at 9. We'll go back down to 1. ADA phone, fire operation. There's your key switches, pretty standard cab. Nice at the same time. I do like the handrail. I still don't know what these were originally. I bet you the ceiling was replaced. Certificate in the office. Case 59's elevators, just your CFL lights. And the down arrow is still lit. I don't know why they don't go out at all. I guess they just stay lit while moving. Here back at 1. Yeah, closes, and that's gonna be it.